DC office road is getting better. It's currently under repair, but due to this monsoon, I think they are unable to complete the work properly. How far they have done the work, you can see. Right now it's raining, so I have to turn on my wiper. They have to work on the drainage. This is an up to DC road, DC office road. Must work on the drainage. The road repair has been done till Udunamai and Army Camp Junction. That's the end.